fart faces. I'm so excited to share this with you. Not my cats kissing, not them. But I finished my Enablers Outpost Moon Witch diamond painting. That is full crystal. Yes, it is a full crystal diamond painting. I'm so excited to share it with you. But before we do that, let me just tell you that this diamond painting was available for pre-order through Enablers Outpost. I believe they are all sold out of the Enablers Outpost pre-orders or the Moon Witch pre-orders, but if you join the Enablers Outpost Facebook group, you can get notified. I'm not sure if they're going to be bringing it back, but hopefully they will, because I heard it was really popular. But join their Facebook group. I'll put the link in the description box below. And if you're new here and you like diamond painting, click subscribe to this little baby scruffy. I post new videos on an almost daily basis, so let's show you guys the canvas. Excuse me. Sir, you're going to have to move out of the way. So this is Moon Witch, legally licensed from Nini Coloring. I think I called her Nina for some reason in the past video. But look at it. Isn't it just gorgeous? So this was a full crystal drill diamond painting. It measures 50 by 80 centimeters and it's square crystals. Just beautiful, and it was 42 colors. I love this, how this turned out. Like, it's so sparkly. Let me see if I can make it sparkle. Like, when I go like this, you can just see how sparkly it is. I think, like, I don't usually hang up my diamond paintings, but I definitely think for Halloween, I might put this one up. And it might actually stay up outside of Halloween, like after Halloween. I don't know, but okay, so black cats. Obviously, I love black cats. I love the detail in the skull, and her face turned out really nice. Let me show you guys up close. So this is her face up close. I think it turned out really nice. Like, when you stand back from it, it looks really great. Even up close, like, I don't know. I just love it. I think it turned out awesome. At the top of the canvas, we have their logo. And oops, excuse me. At the bottom here, we have candles, the pumpkin. This is a really great fall canvas, and I think this would go really well for Lindsay Emeralds and Fairy Lights event. What is it? The her witch event? I forget what she calls it. I don't know. Her witch event, or Drills and Chills, even, like, if you're looking to do a event. So I'm going to take you on a tour of the canvas, and then I'll come right back and we'll go over what I like, my in-depth thoughts. That was a really quick tour of the canvas. I hope you appreciated it, even though Kenzu walked right into the screen, right across the screen. But I did love working on this. This was a lot of fun. This is my first crystal square canvas that I've ever worked on, and it's just beautiful. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but the drills lined up really nicely. I didn't have any problems. I had enough drills to finish everything. I wasn't even close to running out on any single color. Some of the drills, and I think this is normal because I find this when I work on special diamond paintings that have crystal drills. Some of the crystal drills didn't have, like, the backing color, or, like, I don't know how to say it. Like, they were see-through, and I would put one down and then you could see the letter through the actual drill, but there wasn't that many. And honestly, like, when you're going through when you're sorting them in your tray or lining them up in your tray, you can catch those right away. But other than that, like, of course, like, I got rid of those, and I still have enough. Still had enough left over to complete this diamond painting, and still have a bunch left over that I'm going to be packaging up individually and saving for future diamond paintings. Because I mean, square crystals, like you can use those in your square diamond paintings, right? Right. So I'm very excited to have those extras, and I'm very happy with how it turned out. Like, I honestly can't say this enough. This was so much fun to work on. So much fun. Because I really like squares just in general. Okay, cat. I really like squares just in general, but the crystal squares, first time working with them, they were fantastic. I had no popping drills. They were all like very much the same size. Not a like very minimal trash, and by trash I just mean the ones that didn't have the silver backing so that you can't see through the drill. But there was very minimal of those, and that was only like small issue that I had. The canvas itself is very sticky, but not too sticky. Like, you can still slide your drills around if you need to, and it was poured glue, if I didn't mention that. And what else? What else can I say about it? I don't know. I just really enjoyed working on this canvas. And I hope that you guys, like, if this does come available for sale again, I hope that you guys will consider getting it, because honestly, so much freaking fun. Already said that 10 million times. Yes. But yeah, it was just amazing. Anyways, guys, so that's all I have for you guys today. I'll link enablersoutpost.com down below, and a link to their Facebook group so you guys can check that out. They also sell diamond painting pens. They sell special drills. They sell cover minders. I think they sometimes have cover minders, and they have other diamond paintings, and they're all licensed, which is great because the artist is getting paid for it. So with that, if you are new here and you like diamond painting accessories, you like videos about diamond painting, go ahead and click the like button, or no, the subscribe button. I post new videos on an almost daily basis, and I would love to have you as part of my hive. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!